What's going on, tech fans? You're watching 5 Best Products, and today we're going to show you some of the best graphics cards in 2020. We made this list based on research, popularity, our own opinion, and much more. For pricing and more information on these graphics cards, feel free to check out the links in the video description. In addition, don't forget to answer our daily question at the end of the video, and leave your answer in the comments section for us. Before we get started, if you have any questions about any of these products whatsoever, don't hesitate to leave us a comment below the video. And don't worry, we'll actually respond to your comments in a very timely manner. And with that said, let's get started. The first graphics card we're going to show you today, coming in at our number 5 spot, is the RX 5700, which is one of the best AMD GPUs for the money. The next graphics card we're going to show you today at our number 4 spot is the RTX 2070 Super, which is one of the best graphics cards for 1440p. Coming in at our number 3 spot, we've got the RX 5700 XT, which is the best AMD GPU that you can buy right now. Are you enjoying our product suggestions so far? If so, go ahead and hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel so that you never miss a daily product video from us. Coming in at our number 2 spot for graphics cards, we've got the RTX 2080 Super, which is one of the best high-end graphics cards that you can buy on the market right now, in our opinion. Last but not least, at our number 1 spot, we've got the RTX 2080 Ti, which in our opinion is the best GPU overall. Alright, tech fans, so now that we're at the end of the slideshow, let us know in the comments section which graphics card you ended up liking the best. In addition, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and check out the next slide for related videos that you just might be interested in.